a deconstructed side fishtail braid. I'm going to start by scrunching in some volumizing foam, mostly into the mid shaft and ends. And I'm going to pull all of the hair over to one side. I'm going to make a section around the parietal ridge. I like to use the skull shape and the density of the hair to help determine the size and shape of my section. Now I'm going to create a large fishtail braid by breaking that large top section into two pieces, pulling a piece from the outside of the left and combining it into the right section, and combining a piece from the right into the left section. I'm going to continue taking pieces from the left and combining them into the right, from the right and combining them into the left. When I've reached the hair below the top section, I'm going to gather it into my braid. I'm not looking for a perfect braid, I'm not looking for perfect technique. I want to create a nice, deconstructed, very natural, relaxed looking braid. When I reach the end, I want to leave a little bit of extra hair below my elastic band, so that as I deconstruct the braid, I have a little bit of hair to play with. I'm going to first spray it with some texturizing spray to help hold the braid together as I take it apart. Using my tail comb, I'm going to go in and just kind of pull outward random chunks of this braid, random pieces of the braid. Large pieces and small pieces. I want to create a nice, deconstructed, almost messy type of a look. I like to leave out a couple extra pieces at the end for a little pop, create some contrast, and finish with finishing hairspray.